What's up, YouTube? My name is Sinwin. We have Karey here.
Hey guys.
We are actually on our way to Helen, Georgia, and this is a very, very fun road, so I might drop my camera at any given point. But we're gonna actually go meet up with some people and have lunch, have fun in Helen. We've never been to Helen, so this is actually just a spur of the moment road trip for us.
Yay, happy road trips.
I woke up at like 6 o'clock this morning. I was like, hey Karey, what are you doing today? He's like, I don't know, what are you doing?
When you're in the room right next to
yeah,
us,
what I was about to say. We're like in the room next to each other, texting each other, like, hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? I don't know. Let's go somewhere. All right, so Helen, here we go. And here we are. So we're about 30 minutes away from Helen, and I'll just kind of make this like a little travel vlog with me and Karey.
My car got an exhaust since the last time y'all seen it. Yay!
And it's so much more fun. So, and it's got a dented quarter panel because I got ran over by an RV. More about that in a later video, but I'll talk to you guys soon. Got brand new tires, so it's very, 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 very grippy.
It's doing all the proper things. I didn't know how I felt about doing what speed we were doing over that hill, as I could not see what was happening beyond it.
We would have been fine.
Yeah, but I mean, you know, we're in Mexico.
We are in Mexico. Yeah, we're not in close to Helen, Georgia at all.
No, nowhere near.
It's Helen, Mexico. With a J. Helen, Mexico. So we're here in Helen, and a big surprise for Karey. I met up with David.
Hi there.
How you feel? I gotta bleep that out, but so I met up with some people, and this guy's having a photo shoot. I'm having a little bit of fun over here. So
Come here.
we see 2 4Cs. Oh yeah, your engine pretty ugly too. Just kidding. No, it's really not. And I'm reviewing this next week. Small world. Very, very small world. You got David Mustang.
So they intentionally tried to make it look as similar to what motors
Essentially, Mitsubishi made the same exact car. This is for Asian people that are under like 5'2". This is for white people that is over 5'2" and weigh twice as much. Essentially.
What happened? It was like no one and all. How'd it go?
Good.
Are you driving stick along?
Did you make it okay?
Yeah. Is that the concern?
Why? Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
All right, let's go.
I love that you actually got one of these.
Do it, burnout, boy. Where's all the kids hang out like me?
So we see this 7.5R as well. Sounds so good. Looks so good too. And then Alejandra is about to go down the
I
mountain,
remember my dog.
and she's gonna drive. We're gonna have fun.
So scared.
There's Karey. Bye.
Like this.
Yeah.
I know.
so you can see.
Now I can see better.
Help me.
Oh, no.
Just kidding.
Sure.
I miss my Miatas. I want another one. Look at you. So Alejandra is driving Karey's GTI, and we're gonna have fun.
What a difference.
Oh yeah, what do you think so far?
I love it. It's so
It's been like
smooth.
3 seconds, but what do you think?
These 3 seconds are the best 3 seconds of my life.
It's really, really like refined compared to the Miata, is it not?
It's so smooth. I like this.
So that is all for this video of our adventures in Helen with Karey and I.
I went poop.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We always like to meet up with our buddy David Patterson and just have fun and hang out in the mountains and just drive. We made a lot of new friends this past weekend, and we're actually gonna link up with a lot of them eventually as well. We're gonna just make more vlogs, just have more fun, and just enjoy life in general. I think Karey enjoyed this weekend more than anybody, and I'm glad that I can make his weekend. So this is Automotive Economics. We'll see you guys next time.